Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about new products that I don't want to buy and what I am using instead, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. I saw Kelly Gooch and Lauren May Beauty film a video similar to this one and I thought it was so much fun, so I decided to choose some products that I am interested in but that I'm not gonna buy because I do have similar products in my collection and I really enjoy shopping my stash. And in general, if you see a new product and you have in your collection something kinda similar, you can achieve a very similar look. So let's shop our stashes together and talk about some products that are very new but that I'm not gonna buy. So let's start with the Danessa Myricks. If I can find a picture, I'm gonna put the exact picture on the screen. I'm gonna stay in this corner. These are the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin blushes and I was very curious. They look really nice and I was intrigued, but Danessa Myricks is not very easy for me to purchase from, and I do have the cream blushes from Fenty. I am wearing the one from the project pan and I have the other one in here. This is the shade Rosé Latte and this is a very beautiful cream formula and it looks so nice. I do really like the shade, and if you can see, the Danessa Myricks one has a bright orange and Fenty has a bright orange as well. So I do really recommend this formula. So I think if you have one of these, or maybe the LYS formula, or maybe a formula similar to that, you can achieve a pretty similar look to the ones from Danessa Myricks. So that is the reason that I'm not gonna buy that one. The next one is the Natasha Denona lipstick and lip pencil. They look so yummy. I really love Natasha Denona and I really like red lipstick, but I am not wearing red lipstick too often, and because of that I don't think it is necessary for me to have more than one of each type of red. I do have one bright red, I do have a darker red, and then I have orange or pink, so other colors that are very bright, but for this example I do have a bright red to show you. This is Rare Beauty Inspire. It is so stunning, it is a moussey formula, it is so nice. And this lipstick is so comfortable, so beautiful on the lips, and I do have a lip liner as well. It is the Nabla Close Up Lip Shaper. I had previously a nude and they came out with a pinkier shade and I bought this one. It is so beautiful. It is the nude number 4.5. It is so stunning and these two together are very beautiful. So if you have a red lip liner and a bright red lipstick, I don't think you need the new Natasha Denona one. And this formula, it is very comfortable, so even though it is in a tube and not in a normal lipstick form, it is so comfortable and so nice. So I will use this one instead and I'm not gonna buy the Natasha Denona ones. The next product that is pretty intriguing to me, it is the Rare Beauty brightener. And it is in a concealer form and it has that applicator that is staying cool, so it will feel really nice on the under eyes. I am very lucky that my under eyes are not very dark, but I still have a product that it is kinda similar. It's not a brightener, but it is a corrector. So this is the Sigma corrector. I have the shade light to medium. This is actually in the project pan. I do really like it. It is so nice. So technically this is a corrector, so not a brightener, but for me this will be more than enough because I can apply the lighter shade and it will just add some brightness, and I can use some concealer on top and it will look really nice. So for me this is kinda replacing the Rare Beauty, so I don't think I'm gonna buy that one. It is a really nice product as well, very creamy a very good product. It was in the favorites for 2022 as well. Then I have two highlighters to talk about. The first one is the Rare Beauty one. It is very nice. It looks blinding, so the old trends are coming back and I really like the look of it. I was planning to buy it, but then it was out of stock and I realized that I want a formula a lot more, and that is the Super Glow formula from Natasha Denona. This is a very beautiful highlighter and I do like a blinding highlighter, and you can get a pretty blinding effect with this one, but you can get a more soft and just sun-kissed look with this one, even though sun-kissed is for bronzer, but you got the point, just a bit of glimpse and glimmer and glow. So this one is pretty blinding. I do really recommend this formula. It is so beautiful. The Rare Beauty one just blew up and I am sure that it is a really nice highlighter, but right now I am very happy with this one, so I don't think I need the Rare Beauty one. And the other highlighter that I want to talk about, it is the new Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, and I heard some good things about it. Charlotte Tilbury in general is the best for complexion products. I do have the cream highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury and that one is so beautiful. So I'm sure as well that this highlighter is so beautiful, but it is very expensive and this one is expensive as well, but I prefer this packaging. And this one is the shade 01 Fair. And in the Charlotte Tilbury, I am sure that I could find a shade. But from the Rare Beauty one, the first shade it's white. And the next shade seems pretty dark. And the pinky one seems pretty dark. So I didn't want a white highlighter. And this one from Natasha Denona, it is perfect for me. So I am sure that the Rare Beauty highlighter and the Charlotte Tilbury one are beautiful highlighters, but I am very happy with my Natasha Denona one. The next product, it is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Gel, and Benefit has very nice brow products, so it was pretty hard for me to not purchase this one. It looks really nice. I am curious, like usual with all new products, but I have my favorite, the Too Faced one, the Fluff and Hold. Could be the Benefit one a better one? Maybe, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it. I just need to repurchase my favorites. I am sometimes very bad at repurchasing favorites and I want to be better in 2023. So I don't want to buy another product that could be just meh. But if I remember correctly, the description of the Benefit one, it was flexible hold or something like that. And I don't want that. So I don't think it will be for me. So I'm not gonna buy it. Let's move into the next one. And for the next one, we have the Fat Oil from NYX. I do really like NYX, so in general I want to test all the new products, but to be quite honest, I don't really love most of the glosses from NYX or the gloss type products. My favorite one, this is Milky Gloss. That one is so good. I really recommend it. It was in the favorites. I really like it and I have the flavor salted caramel and it is so nice. But I tested the lip oil and it is horrendous. Maybe they decided to have another lip oil in a better formula, hopefully. But I don't like the normal lip oil. I don't love the This is Juice Gloss or something like that. I don't feel like that one is something special. And I think I tested one other, but I don't remember right now. I don't love them. So I do have my favorite one in here. This is the Sigma Renew Lip Oil. I have in here the shade Tranquil. This is the best lip oil that I discovered. It is very hydrating. I really love the formula. So even though this is a lot more expensive, I do already have it in my collection and it is a very nice option. so I don't think I'm gonna buy the fat oil, even though it is from a brand that I really enjoy. I don't think it is for me, so I'm not gonna buy it. Lastly, I have some new products from Tarte. They are the Sculpt tape and the blush tape. And in general, I am not using contour, so this will not be the best product for me. But Tarte is now available at our Sephora, and they are releasing some interesting stuff, even though this is clearly a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury ones, and Tarte is still a pretty expensive brand, so I don't know why they are doing that. Maybe they just want a similar product in their range. I am intrigued, but I don't really love the packaging. I just prefer a bronzer in a pan or a contour, whatever. So I want to recommend here the Revolution bronzer. It is a bronzer, not a contour, so they are not the same, but I want to recommend this formula because it is really nice, and this color on me is not very warm, so you understand the point. They are not the same, but I just prefer cream products in a pen more than that packaging. So this is my way of explaining why I don't want these products, even though they are very tempting and I am sure that they have pretty good formulas, but I want to skip them. These are all the products. I am very happy with my collection in most cases, so I really enjoy shopping my stash, and I do recommend that as well to you. If you see a product or a look, try get that look with your own products, because in most cases it is very easy to do. And if you don't have a perfect exact shade of something, you can just mix some blushes, mix some bronzers. If they are creams, it will be very easy to do that. Or put two bronzers on top of each other, or two blushes, or mix lip colors, lip pencils, lip everything can be mixed. So you can do that. Highlighters even, you can just put your brush in one highlighter and then in another highlighter, and you are creating something new. So I think in most cases a look could be achieved with our own products. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.